So if you've been injured in a auto accident or any sort of work injury, maybe that's a personal injury as well. One of the first things that, depending on your injuries that you'd want to get, is imaging done. And this includes things like x-rays and MRIs. So this type of imaging is super important after you've sustained any sort of injury, because we want to see inside of the body from the anatomical perspective. So the first thing we normally start with is x-rays, as x-rays allow us to see more harder structures like the bone and skeletal system. This also allows us to see things like possible fractures within your skeletal system, along with misalignments and more. It's usually the first line that we want to go. Now, other types of imaging like MRI are also utilized if there's further injuries, and this is where we want to look at things like your softer tissues. So with MRIs, we're able to identify things like disc herniations and more, which are super important after you've been in any sort of car accident, work injury, or more. So these are some of the major types of imaging that we utilize at our office in order to help our diagnosis and also treatment going forth with all of our patients.